Let's go for 20 minutes. There we go. Started to count down the time. Okay, so I had that set for 20 minutes. I ran down to the house and I made myself a cup of coffee, and I came right back up, and I was well within the 20 minutes. And I come up here and it was sitting, and it wasn't sitting on its side, but it was all dark on the control panel, and it had stopped moving. It had stopped doing everything, and I figured, okay, well, it had run through the timer a little quicker, so I tried to power it up, and it wouldn't power up. The switch on the back, that would illuminate, but other than that, there was one little noise inside. Maybe the fan or something was turning, but nothing else. And I had it, like I say, almost full of water, so one of the precautions is not to run it dry. But the other thing I noticed as I was sitting here looking at it is there's water on the counter and it's leaking. So this connection to the tank must be leaking inside. So this is how one project turns into another project. Now, they say don't take them apart, but this is well off the warranty. I've had this for several years. I've used it a few times, and so I have nothing to lose by trying to see what's wrong with it, because I don't think they're going to honor a warranty claim on this thing. And wouldn't you know it, I filled the tank again, and I let it sit there, and it's leaking. It's dripping out at the bottom. So when I put just a little bit of liquid in it, you see it dripping there? See it dripping underneath? See that little drop there? Look, see right there? That just fell out of there. That's so annoying. It's leaking out the valve there. That's not it, but it's dripping underneath. See right there? There's another little drop right there. See it? See that? So when there's a full tank, it's got enough weight to it to push the leak through. I'm going to just dig around in here and see what I can find. Oh, it looks like, look at that. Yeah, everything's wet in there. That would have done it. That could have blown a fuse for sure. Look at this. It's all wet in there. And when it vibrated, it spread it all over, and it probably blew a fuse if there's a fuse to change. Look how wet it is. It's not supposed to be that wet inside of here. I mean, I just filled it up and turned it on. This has all happened within 15 minutes. It's getting so the man can't even have a relaxing cup of coffee anymore. Alright. I don't think it's leaking there. I think it's leaking at the, comes out of the bottom. So there's an Allen head there, and that's threaded into the other fitting, and this probably needs a bit of goop on it. So right there, that Allen head, I'm gonna see if I got an Allen wrench that big. Now, I didn't have an Allen wrench big enough to fit that, but it has a screwdriver that would go across the squares. I got it loose. Okay. So we'll take that out. But it's gonna fight me every inch of the way, this thing. That is gonna fight. Why won't that come out? Nothing like having to take apart a brand new piece of equipment, eh? My goodness. Well, I'm gonna have to pull that out of there. Boy, some days are diamonds, and some days are dirt. There it is. We got it. Okay, let's tip it up and take the bottom off. Oh, it's already half off. Okay, there we go. All right, let's take a look at this. I don't like the water in that. That's a really bad idea to have the drain above that board. That's just bad. Okay, it doesn't look like there's any thread sealer here on this particular fitting, and it doesn't look like there's any gasket in here either. So that's our leak. That's got to be it right there. I got this stuff here called True Blue pipe thread sealant. Put a bit down there. I'm gonna go right to town on it. There it is there. Put a little bit on these threads too. A little bit on the male threads as well. We'll have lots of it. Yeah. The other thing I'm noticing is there's no gasket between there and the bowl. So I mean, it's one thing to have pipe thread sealant, but you gotta have something that's gonna keep that from leaking. I guess this will work on the, that might work if we have it tight enough. Put it right around the edge here. That's a hokey thing though, eh? They didn't put a gasket in there. They didn't put any pipe sealant on there. It was a day missed. Somebody missed that at work that day. It was supposed to be a part there, and they missed it. They didn't put a gasket, but let's try this. I have high hopes that this is going to work. Okay, we'll get that in there. There, nice and tight. And that could be our problem fixed, hopefully. Had just a little bit of red on there that they put on at the factory. And I don't even know if that was doing much of a job. There we are. Put a little dab inside the valve as well. Smack her on there, man. Smack her on. Okay. Let's try this. Okay. Oh, maybe there's one more turn in that. Oh, God, I don't think there is another turn in that. That's it. Huh. It was on there pretty loose then. Because that's where it's tight. See where the valve is. It's not going to work, so I'll have to come back a bit. I'm going to have to come back and go halfway on that. Like that, and then bring it up and tighten it here. There, that's good. Let me see a little more. That's good. The day's not complete until you have some of this stuff on your fingers. Very good. Okay, I got a hair dryer here. I'm going to try and dry some of this water out of there. Okay, so I put the water back in it, and it hasn't leaked so far. It's been a few minutes. All right, let's try the power to it and see if the board comes back on. And if not, we've got another problem. All right, I plugged it in and it started working right away. So, is there a chance that we might be back in order? Don't know. I don't think the ultrasonic is working. Let's see here. Let's turn that off. Let's put our parts in there. Let's put our parts back in there. Okay, down they go. Now let's turn it on again and see what happens. The fan's running. That's the heater on. That's the ultrasonic on. Well, we might just have fixed it. It's still going, and no leaks. Okay, it's just completed its cycle, 20 minutes. Let's just take a look inside the top there. Oh, the water's a lot dirtier. Let's take a look. I'll just lift this out and see what we've got. Let it drip a bit. Okay, that's just 20 minutes in a 50-50 solution of water and vinegar. And that doesn't look too bad at all. Yeah. That's working.